If you want to sync your Google or Gmail notes to your iPhone, you can do this by linking your Google account to the Notes app. This allows you to access and manage your notes seamlessly across your devices. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to sync Google or Gmail notes to your iPhone. Solution 1. Add your Google account to iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, and tap on Mail. Tap on Mail Accounts. Select Add Account. Choose Google from the list of account types. Now, add your Google account here. Once you add your account, make sure you enable Note option from here. Solution 2. Accessing Google Notes in the Notes app. Open the Notes app on your iPhone. Tap the folder option from the top left corner. Here you will see the Google account. Select the note from here. This will give you access to your Google Notes from here. Important notes. Make sure you have an active internet connection for syncing to work. Any changes made in the Notes app or Google Keep will reflect on your Google account and vice versa. By following these steps, you can easily sync your Google or Gmail notes to your iPhone, ensuring that you have access to your important information anytime, anywhere. If you still have questions, then let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.